Hello fellow YouTubers, it's me Laura again. Today I have a really exciting video for you guys. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe or follow me on my Instagram at Vanessa. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make rice pudding. The only things you're going to need are these. Number 1, rice, of course, rice pudding. Second thing you're going to need is condensed milk. I'm using a Colombian one, which is a little bit sweeter than the regular one. I bought this one at Target. You can find it at any Target near you. Heavy cream. If you are someone who doesn't like dairy, this is not a necessary ingredient. I use it because I think it makes it a little bit creamier, but if you can find a vegan creamer or if you don't want to use any cream at all, that's fine too. Next we have our oat milk. I'm going to be using oat milk instead of regular milk just because I don't like regular milk, but feel free to use any milk you like, whether it's almond milk or regular milk or oatmeal like me, or soy milk, whatever you want. So let's get started. First thing we are going to do is we are going to add the rice in here. Now that the rice is boiling, we're gonna add 2 cups of milk. Make sure to constantly stir. Concentrated milk you want to add is personal preference depending on how sweet you want your rice pudding to be. If you have cinnamon, you can also add cinnamon. I don't have any, so I'm not gonna add any, but it does add a sweet touch to it. Continue to stir while it's cooking. Now that it's ready, it's time to try it. It's hot. Oh my god. I'm eating my feelings. So good. Perfect. And that is how you make rice pudding. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe or follow me on Instagram at Vanessa. Bye guys. Till next time.